Watch out for that tree. So it's definitely a little colder today. Looks like there's gonna be some snow around too. Oh no, it's starting to snow already. So we're back. It is snowing so much right now. Dude, this is gonna be fun. We made it to the top. Ready to put on the full face goggles. All right, ready to go. Second attempt. Woohoo! Oh, it's slick. Oh, it's so slick. Watch out for that tree. Yep. I need to go back to that one part again. I gotta learn how to maneuver this part. All right. There you go. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Oh, yeah, that wasn't much of a redemption day. Hit the same tree, but I'm okay. Still not too confident on the jumps, but again, I just gotta keep on doing it. The trail was slick today, all the snow. So it was a little bit harder to maneuver around this trail, but it was a lot of fun. Your thoughts, brother?
Yeah, a little slicker today. A lot more sliding around. Still fun. You guys got to come try it. That jump at the end is a blast.
Yeah, you definitely sent it. So good job, man. Been through a lot, Brad. It's been holding up pretty well, man.
Yeah, it's an awesome bike.
Yeah.